These are my souvenir from Tochigi Ken yesterday that we're picking strawberries as long as we can eat. And we pay 2,500 per person. But it's enough because you can eat more than 20 or 25 pieces. But I eat less. Some people can. And I bought this strawberry coated popcorn and strawberry pie, which looks soft and yummy. I recommend you to visit Tochigi Ken for strawberry picking. You will enjoy and love it. Sorry for my voice because the weather in Tochigi is more colder than Tokyo. It's really big and sweet. Very, very sweet. Sorry for my voice. Thank you.